Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your Wi-Fi keeps disconnecting on Black Shark Pad SE. In order to resolve this issue, first of all, try restarting your tablet by holding down the power button and selecting restart option on the power option screen. Then if this isn't gonna help you, then open the control center, hold your finger down on the internet tile, then find the network that you are using, tap the gear icon next to it, and try to forget this network, and then reconnect to it right away. So just wait for the networks to reload, select your network once again, enter the password to it, then tap OK and wait until you are reconnected. And if you're still having this issue, you can try, first of all, you can try to switch the band of your network or just move closer to your router. You can check the band of your network by tapping the gear icon next to the network you are connected to. Here you can check the frequency. If your frequency is 2.4 GHz, this means that your device has, your router has good coverage and generally speaking shouldn't break the signal, but routers with 5 GHz frequency would more frequently drop their connection as they have a smaller coverage area. So sometimes we just have to switch from 5 GHz to 2.4 GHz. If that's in case you cannot move closer physically to your router. And if it's also not helping you, then swipe down to System Settings on the sidebar, then open System Settings, scroll down to Reset Options, select them, and select Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. And confirm. You'll get a message that your network connections were reset, and after that you just have to go back to Network and Internet, then select your Wi-Fi network once again and enter the password to it. And after that, your connection issues should be resolved. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.